Welcome to ProChart Analysis. So let's get started. What market is holding for us for the next week? So here I have already marked for you. Since March 2020, market has been continuously and consistently going up. Market has given one-sided rally all the way from 7,400 to 15,300. So it's almost 100% in just less than one year. अब अगर मार्केट का स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो मार्केट इज फॉर्मिंग काइंड ऑफ फ्लैग पैटर्न और फ्यू से एज अ बेरिश चैनल पैटर्न, जैसे भी समझ में आता है. तो अनटिल अनलेस market does not give breakout on the upside, we cannot think to go long. As and when you notice, market is rejecting every time it is trying to go higher. If you see, once, twice and thrice. So as of now, we cannot say market is very bullish or strongly bullish. You can trade within this range as per the structure what market is showing at this very moment for the next week. So you can look for a script which are forming the same structure or showing the weakness and making structure of lower highs, lower lows. And if you move to the Bank Nifty, a very beautiful and interesting thing which is I'm bringing for the first time on the public platform. Before it was forming, updated in broadcast that market is forming a very beautiful structure. I'm just waiting until it completes that structure. So this is the structure I'm talking about. If you see closely, market is making left shoulder, head and the right shoulder. So अगर निफ्टी को देखें और ये bearish channel है and बैंक निफ्टी को देखें तो बैंक निफ्टी is making reversal pattern of head and shoulder. So we have to wait. We cannot go short immediately considering this pattern. Until unless this neckline is not broken, we cannot consider this market is reversing. However, we have to stay cautious before infusing further money, but be very careful and trade accordingly. So that's the view for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And Nifty metal has already given beautiful move, same like Nifty and Bank Nifty after March 2020. So इसके अंदर भी अब if you see on this, it's bearish engulfing back to back followed by red candle, because एक बहुत अच्छी रैली देखने के बाद we can see मार्केट के अंदर फाइनली एक करेक्शन हमें दिख रहा है. ठीक है. So accordingly we will not be considering to go aggressively long, but let's see until market does not give us any indication for a long. This is pharma. Pharma is also consistently is giving a range 2 days basically, 1, 2, this was third day, and giving a big bearish engulfing candle. So I don't see anywhere market is giving any bullish signal except this pharma is giving a looking very strong at the moment. So just accept based on pharma, we cannot just consider to go long, right? Alone pharma cannot take the market up. So as per sectorial rotation अपन अभी फार्मा के इसमें FMCG के अंदर we can consider, and निफ्टी के अंदर भी similar setup है, but it is not that clear. You need to train your eyes to figure that structure. It is left shoulder, it is head and it is right shoulder, and it is IT. This is Nifty IT. So IT, unless it is on the verge of breaking the support. So let's see how it performs and accordingly we go along. So this is the structure for the market for the next week, and auto is also अगर आप ध्यान से देखो is forming the similar structure again, but auto के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर एक छोटा सा स्ट्रक्चर था अगर समझ में आता पहले तो. So this was left shoulder, head and the right shoulder, and it was broken down. Neckline was broken down and we saw a decent correction of approx 10%. ठीक है. And then market went into consolidation. But अगर मैं अभी इस चीज़ को हटा दूँ और बड़ी पिक्चर देखूँ तो भी मुझे सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर ही दिख रहा है निफ्टी ऑटो में भी. Let me try and show you. This is left shoulder, this is head and this is small right shoulder. So अगर इस हिसाब से भी देखें तो we have more of bearish structure reversal. Market is about kind of giving a reversal signal. So this is Nifty auto. Nifty index is bearish channel. Bank Nifty is making the head and shoulder pattern, and metal after a rally it's bearish engulfing, and pharma is also giving the bearish engulfing. FMCGs out of all these is behaving odd. So ये सब अगर एक बार देखा जाए तो we should stay cautious. I suggest to stay cautious until unless market does not give you any clear indication which side it is making move. So for the next week, this is the, based on this analysis you can figure out your trade. ठीक है? If anything else, you want to know the more details how we do the analysis, connecting all the dots, please let me know. I have given the email ID and the contact number in the description. Leave a message and our team will try to contact you. Take a good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.